In this video, I will be showing you how to convert your image to video by using Kling AI. So let's get started. Just Google Kling AI. We'll be having the first link. Click here. We'll be taken to their official site. If you scroll down, they'll be showing what are the new models that they currently have and what are the feature it offers. You can just go through it, and here we are having create now. Click it. Here we'll be having the sign in option, or here also just select it and make sure that you are signing in either through your email, Apple or Google account. Once you sign in, here we will be having the image or video generation section, and to the right we will be having all our previously created content. I am currently using the free plan of Kling, and they will give you some free credits to generate content. So here we are having the generate button, right? Click it, and to the top we'll be having image generation, video generation, motion control and avatar. So we have so many of these options to choose. I'll just go with video generation, and here we are having the model to choose from. So we are having these many models. These are the latest models available, and these are the old models available. So I'll just go with the latest model, and here we need to upload the image. So I'm going to upload this image of a car on the moon. So we can just simply drag and drop it, and we can also add a end frame over here, like in case if you want a transition from first image to second image. This is optional. In case if you want, you can just add it. And next is the multi-shot. In case if you want to do that, like creating multiple scenes within a single video. As you can see, we are having shot 1 and shot 2, how much duration that occupies. In case if you want that, you can also do that. I don't want a multi-shot, so I will just like close it. And here we are having some inspiration and presets. This will show us the camera movements and many other things. We'll be having some custom presets available. You can just use it in your image to video generation also. And apart from that, here we are having enhancing the prompt. So if we select this DeepSeek, right, this will basically analyze our image and will give us some recommended prompt over here. You can simply click this and use it to generate also. Or else if you're having a custom prompt, you can just put it over here. And here they have given an example. Let's suppose say you want the person in your image to speak. We need to say that dialogues within double quotes as they have given here in an example. So I'll just paste my prompt, just a simple one. And next is this one, the duration as well as the aspect ratio, important thing. So click here, and I will go with 720p, and I want the number of seconds to be like 5 maybe. Yep. So you would have noticed, right, the more number of seconds, the more credits it's going to consume. So I'm just fine with this. Yep, that's good. And I'll just click on generate. The generation is queuing and it's now creating. We have got the video. Let me simply play it. Damn, that looks amazing for a 720 pixel video. In case if you're planning to like generate more, I would recommend you to get the subscription over here. So it's quite cheap, and Kling is like one of the top and the best AI video models out there. So in case if you're like a serious creator or something, you can just go with the subscription plan, and you will be also able to generate videos much quicker. So that's basically it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.